Hello, physical education classes. We're going to get into week 5 again. We're going to get back to our muscular strength activities. Hopefully, you had a good day on Monday where you got outside and had a nice walk as you went. So, what we want to do right now is we're going to talk about muscular strength and FIT principle. And the FIT principle is frequency, intensity, time, and type. So, there's a variety of considerations and variations for frequency, intensity, time, and type when you're doing your activity for muscular strength. Things you want to think about. Do you want to develop strength or muscular endurance? Those are two different items. Strength is 1 rep max, muscular endurance is how many you can do at a time. Different things you want to think about also. Do you want to use weights or machines, or do you want to use your own body weight? There's also resistance bands, med balls, or any other weighted equipment you could find. So how many reps or sets do you perform? And what are your personal goals that will influence you during the FIT principle? With that, again, frequency of exercise. How often? If you're a beginner, you want to do this 2 to 3 days per week. A full body workout, work all 6 different body areas. You want to have some rest, 42 and 72 hours between your workouts. So give your body time to rest because you're going to be sore. If you're intermediate to high, you can exercise 4 to 5 days per week. And you can do things like Monday and Thursday, work your chest, shoulders, tries. Tuesday, Fridays, work your legs or your backs. You never want to use the same muscles multiple days in a row. Intensity, how hard you work. If you're a beginner, start with lighter weights. If you're intermediate or high, you can add 70 to 90% of max strength. Time, how many reps, how many sets, and how much time. A beginner, start low with 1 to 3 sets, maybe 8 to 10 reps. Give yourself a break 30 seconds to a minute. If you're an intermediate or high, if you're going for endurance, you want higher reps. If you're going for strength, you want lower reps but more weight. Endurance, again, is high reps, light weight, strength, low reps, more weight. Give yourself more time to rest in between. And again, the type of exercise, whether it's weight machines, free weights, resistance training, or your own body weight. So there's a lot of different things to think about when you're doing your strength workout. Specificity. You must work each muscle group to have strength gains in that particular part of the body. This week we're working on lower body. So if you want to strengthen your lower body, you have to do lower body exercises. Again, here's another reason for specificity. Uh, Specificity may apply to muscle groups, energy systems, specific movements, and activities. Basically, this principle states that in order to get better at a type of activity, you need to perform that activity. This means if you want to get better at running, well, you should run. If you want to shoot baskets and get better at that, you need to shoot baskets. If you need to swim, if you want to get faster at swimming, you need to swim. So, if you want to get stronger with your legs, you have to do a leg workout. That's the principle of specificity. Our workout, again, is a lower body workout today. Your activities, you're going to do 3 sets from 6 to 8 reps. Since again, low reps working on strength rather than endurance, but push the intensity up. 3 sets, 6 to 8 reps. Give yourself 60 to 90 seconds of rest in between. These are our workouts. Again, as always, go ahead and click on that if you're not sure what a lunge is or a step up lunge. It will take you to that and show you. You can see the exercise. Hopefully, if my internet's working, it's been a little slow. So you can see a lunge with a step up. And then, of course, answer your reflection questions in Google Classroom. Hope everybody's doing well. I hope you're getting outside, and we will talk to you next week.